Hello friends, in the last session we have seen HTTP trigger as a function. Today we will see timer trigger as a function. Timer trigger as a function is nothing but just a scheduler based as a function. Like in the Windows application, we set some time to schedule some business logic. Here is the same. We don't need to call some HTTP call, or we do not need to manually trigger something. It is based on the time, based on the time span. It will call the Azure function, so it is said as timer trigger as a function. So how to create a timer trigger as a function? Create a new project, create the Azure function project. As I have told you, this is community edition, which has some different look than your normal Visual Studio. So I'm going to create Azure function, create. Here we have different triggers. We have already seen HTTP trigger. Today we will see timer trigger. For that also we need storage account. For local we will use storage limited, and here it is the schedule. So we have some cron expression cheat code. We say these expression as cron expression. So if you can see here, there are some cheat sheet. You can learn more about this scheduling time. So the first value says it is a second is minute, third is for hour, fourth is for day, fifth is for month, and day of the week. So the second you can set 0 to 59, minute 0 to 59, hours 0 to 23, day 1 to 31, 1 to 12 month, day of the week 0 to 6, month to 7. Okay, so this is how we create the cron expression. There are some samples you can see here. The first says that for every minute the Azure function will be called. So if I set this expression here, it means that Azure function will call after every 1 minute. If I put this, it will say after every 5 minutes. If I put this, every hour. So this way we need to set for this, it means every 15 seconds. Let's see. I will set every 5 seconds. Okay, it's creating as a function. So it has created the Azure function project having default class function1. In the default class it has created a Azure function which is a timer trigger. So how you will come to know that this is a timer trigger or a HTTP trigger? So with the first parameter of the function, you come to know that this is a which trigger based Azure function. So here you can see timer trigger, so it is a timer trigger as a function. All the Azure function is a static method. Here there is a timer rate for this is a cron expression which is saying that it will be scheduled after every 5 seconds. So let me function executed it, function completed it, function started it. Okay, thread dot sleep, oops, thread sleep for 2 seconds, assuming that it will complete in 2 seconds. Now let's run. So to run, basically we need to run this project. Starting. It has completed the build. Storage emulator started. This is the console for the storage emulator. This is the Azure function symbol. Host configuration version 2. Properties loaded for the project. Found the function Azure function1.run. It will set that after every 5 seconds, 5, 10, 15, 20, TimerTrigger will schedule. 39, 13 second, 15 second completed. 20 second, 22 second completed. 25 second, 27 second completed. 30 second, 32 second completed. So in this way it is taking 2-second delay because of this thread.sleep. So after every 5 seconds, 35, 40, 45 and so on, it will be automatically triggered. Here you can see the log. C# TimerTrigger function started at, completed at. So all the logs will be maintained here. And when you actually publish this function to the cloud, Azure portal, you will see all the logs in the application insights. So this is the TimerTrigger Azure function. That's all about this. You can put all your business logics here, either to make some DB calls or some external services calls you can make here. So it will not return anything. It is just a TimerTrigger, so no one else is going to call it, so it is a void. Okay, you can add some more Azure functions like this. New Azure function, you can add some more Azure function in the same project. Like we have created the HTTP trigger, so what you need to do is select this. I want to add HTTP trigger. I need to select where is the HTTP. Yeah, first one is the HTTP. Added. So here you can see func1 was our TimerTrigger. Let's see .timertrig. Okay, the class name is TimerTrigger. Second one is HTTP trigger. So it has created. We have already seen HTTP trigger. So in the same project you can create multiple Azure functions and you can run that. So if you will run that, so both HTTP and TimerTrigger will work. So if you hit the URL of the HTTP trigger, it will get called and TimerTrigger will automatically being executed as per the cron expression. So that's it for the TimerTrigger. We'll meet you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.